Bumper gala, why you putting near me? Big bumper gala, why you putting near me? Sexy gala, why you putting near me? Put it on me, baby. Looking deep in your eyes.
Afternoon, guys. So today we're going to the beach. It's a hot day. It's about 88 degrees now, and it's going on 12 o'clock. I'm gonna go to Playa Linda. That's out there by Cape Canaveral, out there, but it's a little ways down. So yeah, I'll just bring you guys along with me. Stopping first to the store to, you know, get some stuff, get some drinks to stay hydrated, and get some snacks, of course. And today I rocking the unruly natural hair, so I took down my braids. It only made sense, you know, for me to do that since I'm actually gonna go in the water, and I don't have on nothing much, you know. I have on my bathing suit under here and just like a Hogwarts shirt to cover it up and some short shorts. That's about it. So when I get there, I will vlog some more. Area. See, on my left have like some jet skis and stuff like that going on, but we're going a little bit more down. Still have like another 25 minutes more to go before we hit Playa Linda area, and we got passed through this little like swampland place that have like no signal on your cell phone.
To everybody that be living it up, we say.
A little swamp.
Come on, baby, it's typical. Every day, one night thing, it's a physical. I'm in love with a night bang, love. Calling your name, put your phone in the range and roll over. I just really wanted to hold you. Time you think more better. Cause if you ain't, no, thugs and ladies go together. Popping my car, partner, who in the spot, baby, rule in the spot.
We just paid, so you have to pay $10 to get in. That's $10 per vehicle for parking up here by the Canaveral Seashore, Playa Linda. When you reach the guards and everything, it's about like a 6-mile stretch drive towards the actual beach itself. Just in case. Yeah, I come out here with my aunt and uncle and my mother them last year. It's a really nice beach. I recommend it to anyone who's seeking a nice beach. It's hot as hell out here. Excuse me for squinting, but I'm about to put on my sunscreen, sunblock, sun protectant. I have this one here from Banana Boat, Aloe After Sun Gel. Put some of this on so that I could go ahead and soothe my skin so I don't get too badly burnt.
I'll be right with you.
Okay.
Go ahead if you're ready.
Ma'am, what kind of chicken sandwiches do you have?
What kind of what?
What other types of chicken sandwich do you have besides the pulled chicken?
We have a grilled chicken.
Okay, can I get that grilled chicken meal?
The sandwich combo.
Yeah, the sandwich combo. What does that come with?
A side and a drink.
Okay. For the side, can I get the crinkle cut fries?
Do you want that on with garlic bread or a bun?
Yes, that's fine. And then,
Which one would you like it on?
can I get the bun?
Okay, and what's your drink?
Let me get a root beer.
Okay.
Do you have toast?
Coke?
Toast.
And garlic bread?
Yeah, garlic toast.
Yeah. You want 3 pieces or just one?
Just one.
Okay.
Okay, and how much for all of that?
1203.
Big ducks. So when you get it, it's gonna look like this. The to-go boxes look like this. So this one should be my toast. Yep. This one has my crinkle cut fries, the bun. I see some onions, pickles, tomatoes, some lettuce. And then this is the grilled chicken over here that I have to put my sandwich together. And the other piece of the bun is underneath here. This is my cheat meal, by the way, because, you know, I'm trying to eat more healthier. I'm trying to be on a diet, but I decided to make today and have a cheat meal and then go back strict again tomorrow for the rest of the week. And then this is the sauce that they give you, the Sonny's barbecue, sweet and barbecue sauce. Please ignore my nails. I have to go and get them refilled again. Anyway, and then I got a root beer. Yeah, about to grab this down. Later, guys.